Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video of learning Dart, we are going to learn what about named constructor. Before that, I'm creating a new program. I say named constructor.dart. I say main. Here, I create same class sum to understand the concept clearly. Again, I say var n1 and 2. Remember, here I create a constructor, parameterize. Remember that only one parameterized constructor or default you can use. So I'm using parameterize. So I say this dot n1 and this dot n2. So no need to define the constructor in a big way. Like this we can create. Remember? Now if I want to create one more constructor here, how we can create? Suppose I have n3 also and I want to calculate sum of three number. But here I am passing only 2 and suppose I have a method, I say void sum or add 2 like this. If I have, so I say print and here I say sum, equal to this one, n1 plus n2 like this. Remember? But what about that if I want to calculate add 3? Remember that? And I want to do for that also like this and I say sum and 3, but I am not able to initialize sum 3. So how I can do this? Remember that for that we have an option that class name dot I can put here sum 3 like this. This is the constructor and here I can pass that this dot num1, this dot num2 and this dot num3. Remember? So this is the constructor. It's called a named constructor. Remember? Any number of named constructor you can create in Dart. Only one parameterized constructor you can create. Only one default constructor you can create. But you can create any number of named constructor. This is an example of named constructor. Now how to use this? So go to main. Here I first of all I create a normal constructor. So I say sum here and I'm passing the value here. So I say like this. This is a normal constructor and for that I'm calling add2. But by using a different object s2, I say sum dot sum3 and here I pass the value like this. Three parameters I'm passing here and then I say s2 dot add 3. Remember, because 3 is available in this. Now I can run this, start run like this. We have it both function calling here. Remember that. So this is the named constructor. This is the parameterized constructor. So any number of named constructor you can call, but you have to use dot and name of the constructor. Remember that. So I have given you example how to use named constructor and parameterized constructors in Dart programming language. It's very easy to understand with this example. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.